So I stayed here overnight, and I stayed in one of these teepees, but it had cloth on it. And we made a fire right there. And they burned up some animals. There's a big sacrifice. This is like Blair Witch or something. Then while we were on the campfire, this big, like, elk came running through. I'm getting bit up as we speak.
Yeah, I'm getting bit up too.
Okay.
We're gonna go.
No cartwheels?
No, there's like 1,000 mosquitoes here. I think it's a bad omen that don't check those animals. Too many mosquitoes. Well, this is nice. See
Oh,
a big piece of wood? What?
There's some kind of spiritual vibe here. I can feel it.
Yeah.
Lots of bugs, though. Lots of bugs. But it doesn't really matter because there's birds' nests in here also. Birds, lots of birds. We're looking for,
Oh, wow, this is like an old town.
Yeah.
This is cool. You want to get up there and, like,
Yeah.
be like, one of the old towners?
Now I'm a little creeped out. I don't know if someone lives here.
Oh, someone's probably living here.
Alright, we'll move right along now.
Oh, this is Jake's. You know Jake.
My friend Jake lives here. You can see in the windows they have horse stables and stuff.
I'm getting bitten up. That's the jail.
Oh my god, look.
Somebody's in there? We better go before they put us in jail.
One more spot.
Oh, this is cool. It's a saloon.
Okay.
Go in and get a drink.
Everything's overgrown with bugs and birds. And animals.
That's why
The Undertaker!
That's why they had to burn those animals. There's too many of them. Oh my god! Who the hell is that? Brian? Is that you, Brian? Well, there, you got what you deserve, buddy. That's the last time you screw around with me. I'll give you some more. I'll seal you right up in that box. You won't be seeing the light of day, buddy.
Back there.
Oh, with an ostrich? That's a big cage.
There's all kinds of turkeys and stuff. I'm getting eaten alive.
Alright.
Let's go.
You gotta definitely keep moving. Or else
The batteries aren't dead.
alright, it'll last.
Well, it was worth a few bites, I guess.
Yeah, it was. It sure was.